Welcome back to Innovative Tech Tutor. Have you ever wondered why airplanes, unlike cars, don't have reverse gears? Today, we delve into aircraft mechanics to uncover why planes can't simply reverse like cars. Ready to explore aviation design? Jet engines are designed to push air backward, creating forward thrust. Introducing a reverse gear would complicate this efficient design, making it less effective and practical for aircraft. Airplanes utilize ground vehicles called tugs at airports to push them back from gates. These tugs remove the necessity for planes to have their own reverse capabilities. Reversing jet engines near airport terminals poses significant safety risks. The engine's force could scatter debris, potentially damaging the aircraft and its surroundings. Airplanes have advanced braking systems, with some using reverse thrust during landing. This is only to aid in slowing down, not for reversing like a car. Incorporating a reverse gear would add weight and complexity to aircraft. Engineers strive to keep planes light and efficient, avoiding unnecessary components. Backward movement in an airplane would generate drag and turbulence, complicating control. Aircraft are optimized for forward stability, making reverse motion impractical. Using engines for reversing would increase fuel consumption. Ground tugs provide a more fuel-efficient solution, saving on costs and energy. Airplanes have long tails at risk of damage when reversing. The nose landing gear is designed for forward steering, with reversing risking dangerous tail strikes. Thanks for joining us on this aviation journey. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech and science insights. Share your aviation topic suggestions in the comments. This is Innovative Tech Tutor, signing off until our next adventure. Fly high and stay curious.